Good day. I'm Christopher Joy Belus from the Philippines. I graduated with a bachelor degree of secondary education, major in PHEM, which stands for Physical Education, Health, and Music. I'm currently teaching at Paaralang Secondary ng Lokban Integrated School, grade 7 and 8 MAPE teacher, which stands for Music, Arts, Physical Education, and Health. I'm a dedicated and passionate teacher with 21 years of experience. I passed my licensure examination last 2004. So I'm a licensed professional teacher here in the Philippines. So my hobbies are playing different kinds of sports like soccer and volleyball and swimming. I also love to play different instruments like trumpet, trombone, clarinet, and piano and guitar. I, I'm also the band instructor in our school. I organized it last 2016. So we play in different activities here in school like drills and sports events. Yeah, and I also love to dance. So I teach folk dances like the Carinyosa, which is the Philippine national dance. Yeah, I teach them how to dance the different basic skills and on different basic choreograph of the dances. So that's all, and thank you.